Welcome to LVTRV, our Alaska edition. Getting ready to start our trip. The RV's in the garage, ready, prepped, and ready to go. The car is in front. We took a couple little side trips to make sure everything's running fine. This is in Sonora. The little Honda Element is getting all prepped up, oil changes and checked out. She's ready to go. My electric bike I've been using, and all of a sudden it got a flat one day, so I had to change a flat. And now it's ready to go. The cat's like, "You're going where? Again? What? What are you doing?" Come back home safe, that's all I ask. The turkeys are gobbling around. So of course I do maintenance around the house. Gotta mow the lawns and plow the fields. Change some filters on the RV. Check the tire monitors, make sure they're working fine. Double check my fire extinguishers, put 2 more in there. Had a broken bolt on the microwave hanging and refixed that all up. Put new step covers on. We had the rug type. Look what came in the mail. STARLINK, 3rd generation. We'll see how this works out. This is what you get inside the box. An antenna. New 3rd generation antenna. First thing you need to do is get an app. Get that app. And pretty simple. Plug in antenna, plug in the router, plug in power. Make sure you got facing north. And here's all the little equipment. Got yourself the 3rd generation router. You got a little power plant, power cords, and 75 feet of cord to the antenna. This router has 2 ports. It also has a port for power and a port for the antenna.
Voila. In there.
And inside there's some sayings in there. I had to look them up.
I'll show you the other one says.
One says to Mars and beyond. The other port says made on Earth by humans. And the other one's just a diagram of some sort. Or maybe it's a Starlink antenna. And there's our Starlink. Get back on the phone. Maybe. Yeah, look for obstacles. So you had to look outside, do the app, and pick up all. Look around, make sure you have no obstacles for it. Had to get back online, and it worked. The antenna did show that. Then I had to configure the network. Redo my router with my name or a name. Of course, after I moved the antenna, redid the router, and it was connected to your home network. And 308.24, 308 2 routers, 467 down and 451 up. Wow, I guess that sounds really good. I built the shelf for the STARLINK router. The router's there this time. I built a shelf so it can be there. There's a plug right there. A little shelf plugged into there. Now look at the dish. The STARLINK on his antenna. Thank you for watching. The cat still wants to try to go. Thank you for watching this video.
as we get ready to go to Alaska. Love and hugs from Sal and Drina.